Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I am Patrick. Today we are going into chapter 15. Alright, edit of the record. So what I'm going to do is to show you how you can edit the existing record. Alright, so this is where we left off yesterday. Okay, but there is a slight problem with the add button. Okay, the add button over here, it should not be here. Okay, because if there isn't any record, then this will not be showing. Okay, so we need to move this button outside of this loop or this table. Okay, I think we should move it over here. Okay, so we make it a button. Okay, add new record, something like that. Okay, so class, we want this to be a button, small one. Okay, and on click should be DLG add. Okay, all right, and we should delete this button. Okay, all right, let's look better. Okay, it will look something like this. Okay, we still be able to add even though there isn't any record. Okay, okay, now I will add a function call to this DLG edit maybe, right? However, I will need a record ID for this to work. So I will add the PHP code over here and oops, ID. Okay, so we will echo the record ID inside the parameter of this function. Okay, DLG edit, following the dialog. Alright. Okay, let's call the function. So we'll write a new function over here. With parameter ID. Okay. So we need another PHP file, and we need to call an AJAX function as well. Okay, we are going to copy over from here. Okay, copy here, and we put it here. Okay, except that there isn't any anymore. What is edit, and we need an ID over here. So the ID equals edit. Okay, so we will have this edit student. Okay, and this should be a edit, and remember to add the same div area over here. Okay, so you can have the dialog. Let me see. Okay, so we have to add a new file over here. Alright, remember this root directory ht.php. Okay, we add another file, new file. Okay, I think I need to add another new file over here and save it first. Okay, DLG edit. Okay, so we open up this one and include the PHP, the MySQL connection. okay, and reading the post from the posting data and escape it. Okay, so that is about all of the connection of the string to the database. Alright, so escape the whole thing. Okay, so now we will check whether the ID is empty or not. If not, then only we do. Okay, alright, so we will retrieve the record so that we can populate the data over the table. Okay, select everything from student where ID equals to ID, right? So we just want one record. Okay, result. Make a query and SQL. Okay, so we need to check that again. If num row, okay, so we need to have how many rows are there. So we want exactly one row, or it might be 0 if it's not found. Okay, so if num row is greater than 0 found, meaning it is found, then what shall we do? Otherwise, just echo some something that is not is considered to be an error message. Okay, so this class UK alert, maybe, sorry. Okay, no record found. So it's like returning the error message. Okay, so that I can display in the dialog. Okay, over here, so we have to get it out of this one, and we will actually draw a table very similar to what we have in DLG add. Okay, we are going to copy over here. So we are going to draw this table. Okay, more or less the same, but with some modification. Okay, so over here. Alright. So maybe it's not call save, maybe we call it update. Okay, and this one we call it update, do update. Okay, one more file. Alright. So what we have here is to populate the data of these 3 fields. So we have value some more. Okay, so we have now, oops, sorry, wait. Okay, if this is number is greater than 0, the row has to be MySQL read the result into this row. So row is an array. Okay, so what we have here is row, sorry, student ID. Okay, so we try to display it out on the text box that we created. Same for this one. Row name. Okay, and same for this one. Okay. This one is class. Okay. So we are about to complete the dialog, getting the dialog back from the database, from the server, sorry. Alright, so this is about all. Let us try it out. So let's refresh the screen first. And oh, there's an error over here. Let me fix it. Okay, there's an error over here, and actually it happens that I haven't selected the ID, but I reference the ID. Okay, fail over here, so I need to add this ID. Okay, or I can simply add a star over here, add asterisk over here, and then delete all these fields so that it can select every single field. Actually, these are all the fields that is available. Okay, let's try again. Let's see. Okay, that's it. Okay, let's try to call out the dialog. Okay, see, the data is ready. All right, so we can do the update button. Next chapter. All right, I will stop here for today. All right, thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please like my video, share my video, and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on all notifications. All right, thank you so much. Bye bye. See you again.